Hello everybody, my name is Andres Gomez. Today is 31st March 2020. Okay? I'm going to tell you about the Excel program. Excel. Owner or the right, Microsoft. Payment terms and prices. There are three ways to buy it. First, single payment for value of 1,999,999 pesos. This is pesos. Okay. Second, monthly payment and monthly payment. This is for value of $8.25. Okay, this is $12.18 with first month free trial, and this with first month free trials. Technical descriptions. Is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for the different operating systems. It has calculations, graphing tools, calculating table, and a macro programming language called Visual Basic for applications. And other information of interest. Excel comes with the other programs such as Word, PowerPoint, and even access 1 TB of OneDrive store to save and sheet files. Okay, this is all. In conclusion, buying Excel is very easy. Just to go to website, the Microsoft website, okay, and select buy it or buy monthly for use the program. Okay, all without leaving home. Remember, all without leaving home. Okay, bye bye people, this is all.